Hey, welcome back, guys. So today on this video, we are talking about your Instagram bio, and more specifically, I'm going to quickly answer a question I keep getting a lot on my other video, and that is, how do you write a good and compelling Instagram bio? So let's go ahead and talk about this. First off, guys, real quick video, not too much to go over, so be sure to stick around to the end of the video. But why would you want to write a good Instagram bio anyways? Well, that's pretty easy. As you know, Instagram is the basic version of a resume, and by having a good and compelling Instagram bio, it can help you gain customers, sell more products, and make more connections. Whatever the case is, it's a pretty easy process. And for me personally, I use ChatGPT. Now, not like what you're thinking. You don't just go into ChatGPT and ask them to write you an Instagram bio because it's going to be really awful. So what you need to do is you need to write your Instagram bio the way that you want it and let ChatGPT optimize it. Check my video description. I'll try to leave more information there. So here I am in my ChatGPT, and let me go ahead and just come up with an Instagram bio that's going to be high converting. So ChatGPT is only going to put out an Instagram bio based off the information you provided. So what you want to do is go ahead and write in a description how you want it to sound, including who you're talking to, what information you want it to include, the tone of voice, what the Instagram bio is going to be used for, what your Instagram is about, if you're selling any products or any kind of services. So you want to be sure to detail all of that. And that way ChatGPT can make the best decision for a good and compelling Instagram bio. So let me go ahead and just type something in here. Okay, so I went ahead and typed in what I would like ChatGPT to write up for a good Instagram bio. So I said, I'm a YouTuber that has hundreds of thousands of subscribers. I've made millions with my own YouTube channels. I want to offer help to other aspiring YouTubers on how to grow their search-based channel. I'd like for this to be written for a 5th grade reading level. Please make a good Instagram bio that captures a little bit about my history on YouTube. Many of my current viewers only have 200 to 300 subscribers on YouTube. Okay. And then you just let them think. So I'm going to click enter. So this looks pretty good. So ChatGPT has set up a really good Instagram bio. It says, made millions on YouTube, helping small YouTubers grow, tips for search-based channels. Let's get to your first 1,000 subs. So for me, that's excellent. And look at this. They even added in a few emojis. Now let's go ahead and redo that and just ask them to put together an Instagram bio without any of the information we provided, and you'll be able to see the difference. Okay, so I went ahead and opened up a new browser because it didn't forget the information I told it. So here I'm going to ask it to just go ahead and create an Instagram bio. Okay, now it's asking if I have any hobbies or interests. I'm going to say no, just an Instagram bio. Okay, so dreamer, explorer, creator, capturing moments, traveling the world, spreading positivity. So you can see this has nothing to do with who I am. So ChatGPT is going to give you an excellent Instagram bio if you have a conversation with it and you let it know what you want it to say. So my best recommendation, if you want an excellent Instagram bio, write out your Instagram bio exactly what you would say, and then let ChatGPT kind of condense it and put it in a form that's going to be great for your Instagram bio. So there you have it, guys. If you're wondering how to get a good Instagram bio, that's the easiest way I've been able to come up with it. If you know an easier way, be sure to leave a comment below. Let the rest of us know how you did it. Hopefully you found that video useful. If so, click thumbs up or maybe consider subscribing to my channel, and I hope to see you on the next video. Thanks again for watching.